see. Let's see what happens. It's kind of like a is it red? I don't know. I don't really like that color. Navy. Let me go for navy blue, and then I'll change this to white. Aha, is this not beautiful? I'll change that H3 to white also. Okay. Oh, I've given it background color, even color white. So everything will change the color. Okay, this one too, the color has changed. Oh, this is beautiful. Then we'll add a padding. Let's say 10 pixel. So what padding does, padding increases the size outside, like around the thing. Let me show you. This is what padding increases the size around it. If it's margin works outside of it. So if you add margin now, you see 10 pixel. So you see this one margin does, so it gives space outside while padding gives space inside. And this is beautiful, but I don't like it. So, or we can just give it very small margin, let's say like 2. Okay, so, and this is beautiful. So that's for the head section or the H1. Let's do something. This is my blog. I'll remove blog. I can use something called span and I'll write the blog. So nothing happened, right? But if you come to your CSS, you can style the span separately now. Just write the name span. I'll give it a color orange red. Aha, so you see my blog. Oh, my blog is it's beautiful. Alright, so that's for the head section. I'm bringing this close together so that my code know I'm maintaining social distance. Oops. Okay, so I'm done with the head section. Now I'll come to the body section. Notice that outside this container, coming outside this container, if you do anything inside this container, you'll see your text hanging everywhere. So I'm going to come outside this container. If I wish, I'll create another container and then I'll call this div. So I'm just give this class, you can call it body1, or you can say paragraph1, or any name you give it is fine. So in this body1, I'm going to create h1 tag, h1. So a very bold text. Alright, welcome. Welcome to my page. So if we run this, okay, so I have a very big bold welcome to my page here, and then I can add paragraph tag. So I can't start typing now, so I'll go to my notes and I'll copy some dummy text. They're called dummy text lorem. For those using I know this is a smartphone and this thing tutorial, but for those using, I think is enough. For those using PC, it's easier for you because there is something like you can use like lorem 30. When you type lorem 30 and then you press enter, it's going to bring out all the dummy text by itself, but it does not work on the phone. So I devised another means by going online to copy the lorem text and keep it somewhere in case of I need it. Alright, so you see I have text here. Okay, so before this paragraph text, I'm going to add like let me add a title. I'm going to use H4. So like before I move forward, there is a rule with H1 tag. There's a rule with it. You can't use it more than once. Yes, you can't use it more than once on your page. So it's not so nice having two major text on your page. It's to not just imagine it. It's not be so fine. So you can't use more than one text on your page. Aside that, that's all. Okay. Let's copy this. Show you how to code very fast. Copy. And we'll paste this here. I'm going to create div class up. I've already closed it here before because I copied it from that side. I'm going to call this class body 2. So in giving your class name, ensure that you don't space it. Please don't space it, because if you space it, go to CSS now, it will not work. So don't space it. You can use hyphen or just make sure it's close together. Alright, so if I wish, I can still copy this and paste again, but I think I'm okay with this. Okay, I'm okay with this. So I'm going to remove this H1 tag. I see it was not looking so nice. Okay, so we'll work on the padding and margin now. Or is this lorem text short? No, I think it's okay. Alright, so let's do the last one before we'll go to CSS and style. So I'll add the footer. Let me see. I'm thinking this text is small. Let me go and copy more lorem text and add it. So I'm going to paste it here. I'll do the same for this one. So it's covered my page. So this is better. Okay, so the last thing, you can paste it as many times as you want. If you want something, maybe you're creating a blog page, you're writing like a story, something very long and all that, you can keep pasting it. And then you can add all those tags I explained in the beginning of HTML, those strong tag for emphasis, the italics tag for this thing, and then you can be creating headings in between and all that. So it's just very simple. So add the footer. Paragraph. So I'll use my blog. So there's this thing we used to write that copyright sign. So you use this and copy. I'm going to bring it for yourself, so you choose this one. You can try out the rest if you are curious like me. I've tried them before. You can try out the rest and see how they look like. So add copy 2024. Okay, so you see we have something like this. We are still going to work on this. Alright, so as for the HTML, let's go to CSS and style. So we'll come here, body 2, body 1, no, let's edit the H1 text first before we go to the body 1. H1. So I want to reduce the font weight. Thank you. God is telling me that it's not H1 I want to reduce the font weight. So this is what I'm talking about. See the way it's bold like this? I don't like it, so I want to reduce the font weight. So I will say 200. So this one I don't need to add pixel or anything. If you notice, see, it has reduced, and I think I like it better. It's better. I'm going to add padding. (25 pixel). Margin bottom. (20 pixel). I'm going to add font family. And let's try Verodana. Oops, it's not fine.